Welcome to the Fantasyland Hotel, Edmonton. Let's close the door first. Alright, so Fantasyland Hotel at the West Edmonton Mall in Edmonton, Alberta. This is a superior room. So you got your safe up there, luggage holder, extra bedding, ironing board, and we'll swing over here into the bathroom. Really deep soaker tub, shower, and you got your toilet, your amenities. So you got lotions, conditioner, shower gel, shampoo, facial bar, and a massage bar. So just a single sink in this room. You got your hair dryer, makeup mirror, coffee station, Keurig, so like I said, it's 2-queen bed here and another day bed kind of thing. Not sure if that's a couch or what you would call that. You got your desk, decent mirror. It's got good lighting above the headboard, so if you want to do reading. And you got your TV, decent sized flat screen, 2 bottles of water, 2 wine glasses, 2 cups, your ice jug, and you got your typical hotel fridge, and some drawers, sorry about the finger, and there's some storage down there. There is no microwave. And you got another mirror here. And out here is the view. That is the roof of the water park. So this is a south-facing room. And you got your self-parking lot down here, underground, or not underground, just covered. And you got your numerous floors going up. Swing back around, give you a full view of the room. And 2 chairs, small table, another reading light in the corner, I'm still running the world's oldest thermostat. So that's a quick room tour of the superior room here at the West Edmonton Mall in Edmonton, Alberta. Click like, comment, subscribe. And thank you.